Hello guys, here today. Welcome to another pack opening. We have Premier Gold pack. We have Serial Premier Gold pack too. And yep, we're trying to get one player to watch. Let's get started. First pack. Who do we get? It's a walkout. Who do we get? Croatia. Forward. Madzukshit. Second pack. Let's see who we get. Please be someone good. Please be someone good. Okay. Okay. Third pack. Let's see who do we get. Please, EA, give me someone good. I'm asking just for one watch player. That's it. Okay, it's a walkout. Italian. CDM. I thought this guy retired. Why is he still on FIFA 19? You know what? I'm gonna discard you, and I'll leave everyone else. Okay. Just get the fuck out of here. Fourth pack. Please, EA, give me someone good. I'm just telling them please for time. Okay, it's a walkout. Brazilian. CDM. Lucas Leiva. That's one ugly motherfucker. Fifth pack. Who do we get? Please give me someone good. EA. I'm asking for a player who wants to watch, okay? It's a walkout. Brazilian. CDM.
Bitch!
Now fuck this game, man.
Why are you mad?
Fifth pack. Yeah, he's taking a piss. Literally, he's taking a piss. You're giving me just repeated players. And we get... It's not even a fucking walkout! Okay. I'm tired of the Premier pack. I'm gonna go for the normal Premier pack. Please, give me someone good. Please, please give me someone good. Please, walkout. Oh my god! It's clear to watch. Japan, left mid. I don't even know what that team is, but it is. He doesn't even sell. I can't even sell this player. What's the point? Now we know that the Premier normal gold pack is better than the Serial. Please, you hit me with another player to watch. A better one than the one you showed me. And it's fucking shit. It's back to shit. Yeah, it's back to shit. Okay, another pack. Let's see who we get. I'm even done. I'm not even happy anymore. And it's not a fucking walkout. Another pack. Please give me someone good. I'm asking you for someone good, and that's it. It's a walkout. Who do we get? Spanish. Goalkeeper. Milan. Another pack. Who do we get? Please, yeah, give me someone good. I'm asking. Someone good, okay? Who do we get? It's a walkout. Okay, Portuguese. Right back. Juventus. Bandejo. Another back opening. Let's see who we get. Please. I need someone good. Please. It's a walkout. That's good. Belgium. Right wing. Hazard. We got the fake Hazard. Not the Hazard we want. Okay, another pack. EA, hit me with someone good. Like, hit me, surprise me. I want someone good, EA. I give you my money. What do you need more? It's a walkout. Chile, CDM, Barcelona. Yes, we got Vidal. You're gonna get discarded soon. Hey, love this game. Okay, another pack. Okay, EA, give me someone good. One player. Okay, that's what I'm asking for. One player. Oh. Oh, Spanish! ST! Atletico Madrid, who is it? Murata! It's a good player, right? It is. It's a good player. Wow! Okay, listen. Let's see how much he goes for. He goes for nothing. Literally, he goes for nothing. What the hell? I got happy for nothing? Like, come on. Oh my god. Okay, another pack. I have a feeling it's gonna be shit. I have feelings. So, who do we get? Let's see.
Psych!
Okay, another pack. I don't even know, man. Who do we get here? And it's a walkout. Who do we get? Please, someone good. Denmark, goalkeeper. Schmeichel. You fucking Schmeichel. Another back, boys. Who do we get? Someone good, EA. Someone good. Someone good, please. Oh, it's a purple! Oh my god, Belgium! Leicester mid. Leicester City. Telemans. I've never even seen this player before. How is he player to watch? I never even seen him playing and he doesn't even fucking sell. Okay. Last pack. Who do we get? Please give me someone good, EA. Please, EA. I'm begging you, EA. Please. Please. Walk out. Italian. Goalkeeper. I don't even know the team. I don't even know the fucking team. I'm done. That's it. I have no more packs to open. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a good pack opening, I guess. And I hope you had fun, guys. If you want me to do more of these kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.